2025 Subaru Outback continues its legacy as a rugged, versatile, and family-friendly crossover that appeals to adventure seekers and practical drivers alike. With its blend of SUV capability and wagon-like utility, the Outback maintains a strong presence in the ever-growing crossover market. Subaru hasn't reinvented the wheel for 2025, but it has fine-tuned a formula that's already proven to be a hit. It offers reliable performance, a comfortable interior, advanced safety technology, and respectable off-road capabilities, making it a well-rounded choice for anyone needing a do-it-all vehicle from its inception. The Outback has carved out a unique identity by marrying the low-slung practicality of a wagon with the raised stance and all-wheel drive dependability of an SUV. For 2025, Subaru focuses on refining design cues, upgrading interior materials, and enhancing tech features. While the exterior sees only modest changes, the updates across the board keep the Outback fresh in a segment crowded with competitors like the Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, and Ford Edge. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend adventurer, or a growing family, the 2025 Outback remains a compelling choice thanks to its balanced approach to utility, comfort, and value. The exterior design of the 2025 Subaru Outback retains its familiar, rugged look while incorporating a few styling tweaks to keep the vehicle visually updated. It continues to strike a balance between rugged adventure readiness and suburban sophistication. Subaru's signature hexagonal grille is still present, but it now features a slightly revised pattern and a sleeker finish, contributing to a more modern and refined look. The headlamps have been slimmed down and integrated with updated LED technology for improved visibility and sharper styling. The body cladding along the lower doors and around the wheel arches gives the Outback a more off-road ready stance, hinting at its all-terrain capabilities. On higher trims, such as the Wilderness model, the cladding becomes even more prominent and purposeful, protecting the vehicle from debris and scratches when venturing off the pavement. Wheel options range from 17 to 18 inches across the lineup, with some premium models offering attractive machined alloy finishes. The rear of the vehicle remains largely unchanged, but minor enhancements to the taillight graphics and rear bumper design add a touch of modernity. Roof rails with integrated crossbars continue to come standard, underscoring the Outback's utility and appeal to outdoor enthusiasts. The ground clearance remains a generous 8.7 inches for standard trims and 9.5 inches for the Wilderness Edition, further reinforcing its off-road credentials. All in all, the 2025 Outback's exterior doesn't stray far from its roots, but its incremental refinements make it look fresh without alienating longtime fans when it comes to performance. The 2025 Subaru Outback offers a versatile and capable powertrain lineup designed to suit a wide range of driving needs. Base and mid-level trims are powered by a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine, producing 182 horsepower and 176 pounds-ft of torque. While this engine won't win any drag races, it delivers sufficient power for daily driving, commuting, and highway cruising. Paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, and Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive, this setup provides a stable and confident driving experience in various conditions, including rain, snow, and light off-road trails. For those seeking more robust performance, the turbocharged 2.4-liter flat-4 engine is available on higher trims like the Onyx Edition XT, Limited XT, and Touring XT. This engine produces 260 horsepower and 277 pounds-ft of torque, offering quicker acceleration and better towing capacity up to 3,500 pounds. The turbocharged Outback feels more responsive during highway merges and overtaking, and it's better suited for drivers who frequently travel with heavier loads or explore more demanding terrains. Off-road capability is a strong suit for the Outback, especially in the Wilderness trim. The 2025 Outback Wilderness features enhanced suspension tuning, additional ground clearance, and a dual-function X-mode system for improved traction on slippery or uneven surfaces. While it doesn't replace a dedicated off-roader like a Jeep Wrangler, it's far more capable than most crossovers when the pavement ends, fuel economy is respectable, with the base engine achieving an EPA estimated 26 mpg in the city and 33 mpg on the highway. The turbocharged engine sees a slight dip in efficiency, with ratings around 23 mpg city and 30 mpg highway. Overall, the 2025 Outback strikes a solid balance between everyday usability, adventure readiness, and fuel efficiency. Inside, the 2025 Subaru Outback continues to prioritize comfort, practicality, and user-friendly technology. The cabin is spacious, with generous headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and improved sound insulation elevate the interior ambiance, particularly in higher trims where features like Napa leather upholstery and ventilated front seats come into play. The dashboard layout is clean and functional, dominated by a vertically oriented touchscreen infotainment system. Most trims come equipped with an 11.6-inch display that integrates multimedia, navigation, and climate controls. While some may find the touchscreen-heavy interface a bit cumbersome initially, the system is responsive and the graphics are sharp. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with Bluetooth connectivity and multiple USB ports throughout the cabin. Storage and cargo space are standout features of the Outback. With the rear seats upright, the cargo area offers 32.6 cubic feet of space, plenty for groceries, camping gear, or luggage. Folding the rear seats expands the capacity to 75.6 cubic feet, creating a flat and usable load floor ideal for larger items. Additional practical touches include door pockets, a spacious center console, and hidden compartments beneath the cargo floor. Comfort is further enhanced by Subaru's attention to ride quality. The Outback's suspension system is tuned for a smooth, composed ride over various surfaces. Whether you're navigating urban potholes or gravel roads, the cabin remains quiet and composed. Optional features like a panoramic moonroof, heated rear seats, and the premium Harman Kardon sound system further elevate the driving experience for those willing to pay for the upgrades. Subaru has long been known for offering solid value, and the 2025 Outback continues this tradition with a competitive pricing structure. The base model starts around $30,000, offering standard all-wheel drive, advanced safety features, and a host of infotainment options. For those looking for more features or power, mid-level trims like the Premium and Limited add convenience and luxury without breaking the bank, typically ranging from $32,000 to $38,000. The turbocharged XT trims start around $40,000 and climb up depending on the options and packages selected. These versions come well equipped with upgraded materials, enhanced tech, and the more powerful engine. The Wilderness Edition, designed for adventure and rugged terrain, starts in the mid-$40,000 range. At the top of the range, the Touring XT model can reach up to $45,000 or more, but it includes nearly every available feature, making it feel close to a luxury SUV in amenities and comfort. Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology comes standard across the lineup and includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision braking. Higher trims offer additional tech like a 360-degree camera, rear automatic braking, and blind spot monitoring. The Outback's strong safety reputation is backed by consistently high ratings from both the IIHS and NHTSA, adding peace of mind to the purchase. The 2025 Subaru Outback remains a standout